Welcome to the Da Vinci experience. It's part of the Learning Plus module we're conducting here. And we're just doing the first project challenge. And we're going to make a mini laboratory that you can use anywhere. Here it is. There you are. In a nice convenient bag. And we just open up our bag. We don't see any sandwiches inside, but instead we've got a breadboard, some components, some wires, and this is where you can just do your experiments anywhere. You don't need a laboratory, you don't need the test equipment, everything is here. So there's your battery. We've actually cheated and soldered some wires on. It's easier that way. Stick in the plus, stick in the minus, and there we are. Now what we can do now is we can just link up a logic switch, boom, with a display input like that as a logic 1 on display B, or we can just put a logic 0 and logic 1. Let's see, it's good stuff like that. Okay, and so you've got actually 7 displays inputs here, and we've got 7 display segments. That's what we have. So I'm going to ask you to start with your blank breadboard and make the input section and the output section, and then you've got a little bit of space in the middle to do your experimenting. So it should be nice and clear on your sheet. There's a digital input circuit, there's a digital output circuit, and I've got a photo of roughly what it should look like. So not explained to you exactly how to wire it, you should be able to work it out. We're using resistor networks here. It's much tidier. This resistor network here, we have one common terminal, top one going to plus 9 volts. There's a bunch of 4K7 resistors. At the bottom, we have 100 ohm resistors. Actually, it could be 0 ohms, but 100 ohms is fine, and that's nice and tidy. On the other side, when we're wiring up the 7-segment display, unfortunately, we can't use nice tidy resistor networks this time because they have to go to all over around the display. And you'll need to find out which wire is which for segment A, B, C, D, E, F, G. But I'll give you a clue. First of all, the middle wire at the top, middle wire at the bottom is the common anode, and that's going to go to the plus 9 volts. So after that, our display driver IC, in fact this is actually a Darlington transistor array, nice posh name, is going to take a logic input going in, and then the output transistor will short circuit to ground when there is a 1 on the input, and that's just nice for turning on a display. And for some experiments in the future, we'll even be driving a loudspeaker.